This is the tire off my walk-behind mower. It had a blowout. I'm going to try and repair this. I've put out equal parts of epoxy glue. I have to work fast because this stuff dries quick. I'm going to mix this together. This piece here is loose. I'm going to get some glue down. And I clean these surfaces off with a rag and some water. Let them totally dry. Oh. Now this piece goes in there, and I got some damage here too. I want to get some glue. Side there. And I'm gonna have to put glue. Oh, I don't think I'm have enough. What I'm gonna do is there's a crack right here. Crack there. Run some down along this crack there. And I'll let that dry. I decided not to let this dry. I mixed up some more glue here. I'm going to put it, on this piece that broke out. Try not to get my fingers in the glue. This piece goes in like this. I've got to get a little bit more glue down at this end. Got some on my fingers. Push that down. I gotta loosen out. There we go. I'm actually going to put, this is going to stick to this, hopefully not too bad. I'm gonna put cardboard on there, this brick, and 2 more bricks to push that down. Push that together. I'll let that dry. It's been about an hour. Let's take a look. Let's see how this glue looks. Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's on the inside of the tire, so. Oh, a little bit of run there. Yeah, that'll actually add some traction. But to fill this hole, I'm going to use some Durham's Rock Hard water putty. And I'm going to mix up some and fill this in, extend it underneath, and then fill that up, so then that's inside and under will hold this piece in place from coming out. So I'll mix up some and we'll get it in there. So I've got a batch mixed up. I've read and followed all the directions on the can. Put that in here. Let's see, I'm gonna brick on each side so that stands out. There we go. I'm not going to have enough in this batch. I'll have to mix up some more. And I'm going to mix up another batch and fill up the rest of that. I've got that whole cavity filled in. It says it dries in about an hour, depending on temperatures and humidity and stuff. So I'll let that sit and we'll come back and check it. It's been over an hour and lives up to its name. It is hard as a rock. So it's good. I'm going to... Excuse me. I'm going to install this back on the lawnmower, mow the lawn, and see how she holds up. I mowed the lawn yesterday with the repaired wheel, and it held up well. No new cracks. The putty stayed in there. Everything looks good. Sure, and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.